Tastes so good.
Delicious.
It's spicy, but I love spicy. But don't forget, if you don't like spicy, don't add chili in. And you can have a sweet chili, that's okay. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Gail's Little Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to do Pad Gra Prow หมู Pad Gra Prow is stir-fry garlic chili with holy basil. But today I don't have holy basil. I'm gonna go with just normal basil. หมู is mean pork. So today I'm gonna stir-fry garlic chili with basil and pork. So the ingredients today, I have 300 grams of pork fillet, 100 grams of green beans, and 30 grams of basil. The basil, usually I buy a pack from local supermarket and it's a 30 grams, so I use the whole pack. And I have some few slices of cucumber, it's just for garnish. And sweet chili here. Sweet chili, I'm gonna save some a little bit for garnish as well, and the rest I will go with the green beans stir fry together with pork. And here, the signature of this dish is the garlic and chili. That is the main ingredients for Pad Gra Prow. This is a little bit spicy, but if you don't like too spicy, you just don't need to add the chilies. Or you can use sweet chili, chop it small pieces and stir fry with garlic so you don't get too much spicy of it. I will have about 5 or 6 chilies. So sauces, today I'm gonna use the oyster sauce, of course, for stir fry. The oyster sauce, fish sauce, that is 1 tablespoon of sugar. This 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. And this one is dark soy sauce. If you don't have it, you don't need to use it. But it's just only to help with the color. And I'll show you later, but I'm gonna use just only some few drops. And oil, cooking oil. So this is our ingredients today. It's not that many at all. And all these things that you can just find in the normal supermarket. Shall we start now? I'm gonna start with chopped green beans. When I cook in Thailand for Pad Gra Prow, usually I don't put green beans, but in this day I like vegetable to go with. That's why I'm gonna add green beans to stir fry with pork. So this all green beans here. Usually when I buy one pack, it's about 220 grams. I don't use all. Sometimes I use half, but sometimes I use more than half. Like this one is about 150 grams. And just cut half like that and put back in here then. If you like more vegetables, you can put the baby corn as well. Baby corn is nice to stir fry with green beans. Okay, that one done, and I'm gonna do this garnish. Gonna get all the seed inside out first. I'll cut just like a little bit a big piece like that to stir fry with green beans. And one more, but this one I'm gonna cut really thin slice. It's for garnish. Okay, I'll put over here. That I'll do. And the rest I'll put together with green beans. If you don't like spicy at all, you don't need to add any chilies. But if you like a little bit, you can use sweet chili, chop in small pieces and stir fry with garlic. But I do like spicy. Now I'm gonna do garlic here. Usually when I do this stir fry Pad Gra Prow, I always put the garlic and with the chili in the pestle mortar and it just like hit together. So, but today I'm gonna just chop. Okay. Just hit them. Okay. If you don't like too much garlic, you can use about 3 to 4. But because of this dish, the main thing is about garlic and chili. When you stir fry, you won't taste like garlicky, thing like that. But you see, when I use a lot of garlic, you might think strong smell, like too much garlic, but actually it's not too much. So I just chop them together, like crush them, or chop them. Okay, I'm gonna put the chili as well. If you smash them together, it will like nicer because you can get all the flavors of the chili and the garlic together. But you can do this way as well. I got some DM from Thai friends and they asked me why sometimes when I cook something, I don't use ingredient that's supposed to be in that dish. But I have to explain this because the way I do the video here, I just want to show the people who are not living in Thailand that they can be able to cook Thai food with ingredients that they can find in their area or their supermarket. So that's why sometimes I have to substitute with something else. Okay. Oh, I can smell strong chili here. I know this is gonna be really like on fire, but it will taste delicious. Okay, this one nearly done here. Then I'm gonna move on to pork. I think that'll be all. Should be okay. For pork, you can just cut in like slice pieces. That's fine because Pad Gra Prow usually they like to cook like a minced pork or minced chicken, but you can do in pieces as well. So today I'm gonna cut like a small pieces, not like minced, but in like small piece. So I'm gonna start with the cut in pieces first. You can use pork fillets or you can use pork shoulder. Because the pork shoulder, they got a little bit like like a fatty. Or pork chop, you can use the pork chop as well, but just cut the bone out. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little bit small pieces. That will be all. That will do. Just cut a little bit, chop a little bit more like that. If you don't like pork, you can use chicken, that's fine, or beef. Oh, Pad Gra Prow beef is good as well. But if you like a mince, you just chop them more. Get into really tiny pieces. Okay, now we got pork here, green beans and chili, and basil, garlic and chili here. So I'm ready to stir fry now. So get a pan and then turn the hob on medium heat. Okay, just wait for the pan to get hot. The first thing I'm gonna do is put oil into the pan. And when the pan gets hot, I'm gonna add the garlic and chili and stir all together. But you have to keep eye on the garlic because they get burned really easily. So don't go with high heat yet, just a medium. I think the pan starts to get hot. Two tablespoons. Okay. The pans get hot now. So I'm gonna add all garlic chili. Okay. I think stir about like just a minute because can you see the garlic start to go brown? Smells so nice. Okay, as you see the garlic turn the color to golden brown. I'm gonna add the pork in and turn high heat and just stir them well with the garlic and chili. If you use aluminum pan, you might need to add maybe another half of tablespoon of oil. But because I use non-stick pan, so I don't need too much oil. But I still need to use it. The garlic and this. Okay. Just stir it well until chicken is cooked. As you can see, it's nearly cooked now. It's no pink. And can you see that they've got some juice come out from pork? So that means you don't need any more oil. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit of boiled water. 2 tablespoons boiled water. Okay. Okay, the pork's nearly cooked. Because I cut it a little bit like really little pieces, so it's easy to cook. But if like big pieces, might stir fry for about 5-10 minutes. This one I stir fry about maybe roughly like 5 minutes. Okay, I think the pork is cooked. Now, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oh, I'm gonna heat a little bit to medium. Okay. 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'll just go like that. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Oh, actually, I'll go with only half a tablespoon. I'm going with half first, and I'm gonna taste. Before I taste, I'm gonna add just few drops of dark soy sauce. Yeah, just few drops. You can see now the color change a little bit. I'm gonna taste a little bit. So only 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, few drops of dark soy sauce, and only half tablespoon of sugar. Okay, the pork is cooked. Now I'm gonna add green bean and chili, sweet chili together. If you feel it's too dry, you can add another tablespoon of boiled water. Okay. When you add green beans and sweet chili in, and if you have baby corn, you can add baby corn. If you want to have a little bit of carrots, you can add carrots, anything you like for vegetables. So it's okay. As long as the main ingredient is a lot of garlic and chili, and then basil. Okay. Stir fry all together for maybe another 3 to 4 minutes. If you like soft vegetables, you can stir for about like 5 minutes. I like a little bit crunchy of vegetables, so I'm not gonna stir fry too long. I think it's all good. And then the last thing is basil. I use a lot of basil because this you need to put a lot of basil in. When I put in, stir fry about 30 seconds. And then that's it. Turn the hob off. Okay, that's all. But now I'm gonna put the garlic chili on the side. I already have rice here. I'm gonna do fried egg to go with. So, oops, long one. Okay. Because stir fry garlic chili with steamed rice and fried egg is yummy. Okay. That my rice. Ooh. You can see steam. And now gonna decorate a little bit. My rice done. A little bit of cucumber and coriander and a little bit of chili. So to the plate. This pork is 300 grams, so you can have for 2 or 3 people, 3 serving. You can have it fried eggs or you can have it boiled eggs. Okay, I think my eggs done. Okay, here you go. Wow, can you see? My stir fry garlic chili basil with pork or pad gra prow moo and with rice and fried eggs and the cucumber. And now it's time to taste and see how it's good. Okay, I'm gonna taste now. Spicy.
I love spicy.
I'm gonna have a little bit of fried eggs. Ooh. Lovely. Oh, big one. Mmm. 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 That is so good. It's spicy, but I love spicy. But don't forget, if you don't like spicy, don't add chili in. And you can have a sweet chili, that's okay. So this is another dish that one of my favorites and I love it. And every time when the friends come and I'll do this for them and they just enjoy it. So hope you try at home and let me know, how you like it. And all the recipe is all here. I'll see you next time. Thank you. สวัสดีค่ะ